With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Two persons A and B are standing at the origin and 210 meters away from the origin along the y-axis respectively. So, let's say this is our origin. A is here and B is here at a distance 200 meters. Now, A starts to move along x-axis with acceleration 3.2 meter per second square, and thereafter with the same retardation comes to rest after moving 320 meters. So A has moved 320 meters. Now B moves with a constant velocity and catches A in 15 seconds. The speed of B is 10 n by 3 meter per second. Find the value of n. So let's try to find out where A was after the time of 15 seconds. So let's say A traveled a distance s1 under the influence of acceleration and a distance s2 under the influence of retardation. So S1 will be initial velocity u will be 0. So 0 plus 1 by 2 into acceleration 3.2 into t square, and S2 will be v square minus u square upon 2a. V, that is the final velocity for S2, will be 0 because finally it is at rest. 0 minus u square upon 2 into acceleration will be minus of 3.2 because it is retarding with that acceleration. Now u. To find out u square, that is the initial velocity for the journey of S2, will be the final velocity of the journey of S1. So I can write u square minus 0 is equal to 2 into 3.2 S1, which means u square upon 2 into 3.2 is equal to S1. So that means if I put this value here, S2 will be equal to S1. If S2 is equal to S1, that means 320 meters will be equal to 2S1, which means S1 will be equal to 160 meters. And if S1 is equal to 160 meters, what I can do is, I can put this value in the original equation that we found out for S1. So that means 160 is equal to 1 by 2 into 3.2 into t square. So 2, 1.6, 10 and 0.1. T is equal to 10 seconds. So if t is equal to 10 seconds, that means the particle is taking 10 seconds to complete the distance of S1. So it will also take 10 seconds to complete the distance of S2. And we have to find out its position after 15 seconds. So after 10 seconds, it is at 160 meters. And after 10 seconds, its velocity will be v minus 0 is equal to 3.2 times 10, which means v is equal to 32 meter per second. So its velocity is 32 meter per second. Now we have to find out after 15 seconds. So 10 seconds have already elapsed. I have to find out what happens in the next 5 seconds. So for the next 5 seconds, there is a constant retardation. there's a constant retardation, and the distance that it is going to travel will be v into 5 minus 1 by 2 into 3.2 into 5 squared. So 32 into 5 minus 1.6 into 25. 5 into 32 minus 1.6 into 5 will be 8. So 5 into 24, which means 120 meters. So in the next 5 seconds, it has traveled 120 meters and it had already traveled 160 meters. So that means the total distance d that it has traveled is 120 plus 160 is equal to 280 meters. So that means after 5 seconds, after 15 seconds, the particle A, if this is origin 0, 0, then the particle is at 280, 0. Now, what that means is, in the time t is equal to 15 seconds, let's say B was given a velocity along the line that is connecting the location of B and the final location of A. So let's say it was given this velocity and time is 15 seconds. So in 15 seconds, it has to travel this distance AB, and this distance AB will be equal to this initial distance of B was 210. So this is 210. So the distance AB will be equal to root over 280 square plus 210 square. This should be equal to V into 15. So V, that is the velocity of B, let's call it VB, should be equal to 350 upon 15. 5 and 5 get cancelled, 70 upon 3. And in the question, the velocity of B is given as 10n by 3. So this should be equal to 10n by 3, which means the value of n will be equal to 7.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.